Hello everyone, and today in this episode we are going to add values in Excel. So how to add values in Excel? It's very easy, so let's get started. So there are two methods we are going to do. The first would be a bit lengthy, but yes, you can use in a short things. And the second one would be in a moment's time. In a second, you can like add the values. So let me tell you the first one because I should tell you. And okay, now we will add an is equal to sign. Okay, then after is equal to sign, we will write the particular thing. Suppose you want to divide it, so you can write div. Like there's different abbreviations for different things. Suppose for percentages is also there. For like you can see here, sum, average, if, hyperlink, and etc. Max, etc. So for addition, we will is the keyword or the abbreviation is sum. Okay, here's the sum. Either you can click it or do. Then we will add a what we say a bracket. Now for this, see, this is the b row. Okay, b column, sorry, and this is the the second row, right? So first we will have to add all these numbers, right? So for that, what we have to do, just see, you can, if you click on it, you will see b2. Okay, so means the cell's name is b2. Like that. This the rest we will do like this b3. This is the b3, right? This is the b row, and this is the third column, like that. Then we will add again b3, then b4, then b5, then b6, and then b7. Okay, now we will click on enter. So here what you get, right? So this is how we can do. Oh, it popped up d10. Okay, means, so yes, this is what we have to do. Now I click on enter, you get the answer. The same you can do here also. Okay, so let us do it. It's a practice, you can also do it at home. So the sum in the bracket we will write, uh, it's in the C column. Okay, so C2 plus C3, sorry, C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6 and again plus C7. So this is how, because we will not write B because it's in the C row. Okay, and see, we got the answer. But if it's a very lengthy, okay, like Excel is used for large companies. So if it's very lengthy, or Excel sheet is very lengthy, so you should use the range thing. The range, okay, we can use the range option. Now what is this range? It's very easy. Okay, so let me tell you how to do the range thing. So the first procedure will be the same, is equal to sum, then a bracket. And now let's say, sorry, so 1 minute. Okay, so for this thing, what you have to do is you should be, now let's hear this thing carefully. We have this column. Now it starts from G2 and the value ends at G7, right? G7, it ends here. So this whole value is starting, like we have to add this whole value. So it's starting from G2 and ending in G7. So how we can write is equal to sum, the bracket, we will just write G2, okay, and then we will add a this thing, this sign, and I write it's ending in G. 7. Now see, it's saying that do you mean I have to add this much numbers? Yes, you're right, you have to add this much numbers. Then we will write enter. Now see, the same value came, right? So this is what is you can use two different formula, still you will get the same value answer. Now we can also do like this also, is equal to sum, then write the first time, so it's g h, okay, sorry, h2. You can see this thing. Now just drag it, see 200. 1 minute, it's issue. Now we will add this thing. Wow, okay, so it's not like this, let me show you. Yeah, you have to just click here, it's automatically getting the range. Now let's click on enter. Okay, so this is coming, see just came getting the same answer. Okay, but I think that this thing is much easier. Just you need to know the starting cell and the ending cell. Okay, so this option or this method is good than this, because you have to then scroll down the whole thing, and as you saw my cursor was going here or here, so it was not able to do add and subtract. So I think it would be helpful. Okay, I just told you the three different ways and a tip. Okay, so this is how we add a formula in Excel. So thank you. Do like it. Do click on the thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.